$80 billion. That is what Google is raising, all to fund AI. And later, a startup raised $435 million just to slow down aging. It is Wednesday, June 3rd. This is Innover. Big day, so let us move. Google is going all in on AI, and the number is staggering. Alphabet, Google's parent, plans to raise $80 billion in stock. It is all to fund AI. The split is $10 billion from Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, $30 billion in a regular sale, and $40 billion sold bit by bit. Google says demand for its AI is bigger than what it can supply right now. It plans to spend as much as $190 billion on buildings and chips this year. That is one company spending more in a year than many countries make. Google builds its own AI. Its rival, OpenAI, made a different kind of move. OpenAI put its top models and its Codex coder on Amazon's cloud. Now big companies can use OpenAI through their normal AWS billing and security. OpenAI used to lean on Microsoft. Living on AWS 2 means it wants to be everywhere its customers already are. Live on screens. This next one is built for things that move. Nvidia launched Cosmos 3, a free AI model for physical robots. It helps machines understand the real world, like how objects move and bump into each other. Because it is open, any robot maker can build on top of it. Software smarts are slowly leaving the screen and stepping into the room with you, from robots on the ground to the strangest computers we have. And one is about to go public. Stick around. Later, a startup that wants to slow down aging, Quantinuum raised its planned IPO to as much as $1.46 billion. Investors wanted in so badly the demand was many times the shares on offer. Here is the wild part. The company made just $31 million in sales last year, yet it is valued near $14 billion. People are betting on what quantum could do, not on what it earns today. That was the money side of quantum. This is the science side. D-Wave shared a roadmap to build 100 logical qubits. A logical qubit is a stable one, built to fix its own mistakes. D-Wave says its design spots about 90% of errors the moment they happen. Most rival machines cannot do that. Its goal is a system that runs over 1 million steps without falling apart. If it works, useful quantum computers stop being a someday dream and start having a real date. Enough about machines. Let us talk about your body. Here's the aging story I teased. New Limit, a startup from Coinbase boss Brian Armstrong, raised $435 million. The goal is to slow down or even reverse how our cells age. It is now worth more than $3 billion and plans its first human test in 2027. Big money is starting to treat aging like a problem you can fix, not just accept. Money is pouring into biotech. Washington just tried to put up a wall. A bipartisan group of lawmakers introduced a bill to limit U.S. biotech deals with China. Right now, American and Chinese drug companies are signing deals at a record pace. This bill could freeze a lot of that overnight. It is a sign that drug research is becoming about national security, not just science. Today had one clear thread. The biggest names are spending almost anything to own the AI future. We track these moves every single day. If that is useful, subscribe and we will keep them coming.